Hello Yashvi for coming in Positive Talks. What you feel like how that skating is taking place in India?
In a country like India where caters itself put in so much effort, but I think it's not recognized enough and it's really sad. I think in states like Tamil Nadu, skating is supported so much.
Okay.
People own.
You really feel in roadies more opportunities have been given to men and not women?
Honestly, yes. I feel the tasks are more male oriented. Even when
Hello and welcome to the another episode of Positive Talks, and today we have a rebellion with us who is known to break all the societal rules and make her own rules and own path. She's a national level skater and the India number 1 and 5th in Asia from past 10 years, and now she's in roadies double cross, and that also she's making her own paths. So don't forget to watch this conversation till the end. Sukoon Design Studio is an interior designing firm to transform your home into a sukoon and comfort. With their beautiful designs and excellent execution, they bring your dream space to life, ensuring that every corner is filled with sukoon and happiness. And if you're looking to transform your home, then check the details in the description and fill in the information to get the free first time consultation. And now, let's begin the Positive Talks. Hello Yashvi for coming in Positive Talks, and thank you so much. First of all, you're looking very cute.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So we'll start with roadies journey is going on. You are into it. I don't know what आगे prediction तो हम नहीं कर सकते. आप ही बता सकते हो क्या होने वाला है, तो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. बट पहले याशवी शाह अपने फैंस के लिए क्या है?
So I think I'm like this very bubbly, simple girl, like
Yeah.
I love staying at home. I love doing things I love. That is like skating, fashion, everything around fashion. So I think I'm like a very creative person when
Okay.
it comes to that. And yeah, I just love spending time at home with my family. I'm always there with my parents, my younger brother. So that is me.
Okay, as you said, bubbly and all, it is so true. Matlab, whenever we start having conversation, that energy is coming out of you.
Yeah.
So we'll start with your childhood. I want to know that how in your childhood, what all such experiences were there which has really impacted today what Yashvi Shah is? How it has changed you, made you so confident?
So I think a lot has to do with my dad.
Okay.
Growing up, oh my God, I was like a very pampered child, I think, maybe with my grandparents or my maternal grandparents, like my nanu, nani, very pampered because I was the first daughter in the family.
Okay.
From my dad's side. But my dad, I think he met with an accident, like a virus very early on when I was very young. And I think that really changed my life.
Okay.
'Cause-
What exactly that virus was?
So we had gone to Manali for a trip, and during that trip, there was a virus which came in the hailstorm, and it affected his spinal cord.
Okay.
So because of that, he lost mobility in his legs.
Okay.
I think that changed me so much as a person because I started, taking more responsibility because I had a younger brother. So I think that really changed me. I saw life where there were roses, and then I saw life where there were thorns, you know.
Yeah, right.
So I think one mantra that I live by today is to treat everybody with kindness because you don't know what the other person has gone
through. So true.
I live by this today that because it's gone on me. So, I don't know what you're going through. So the least I can do is be good to you.
Be good to you. So true. So when this incident happened, how was that transition in your family as well? How what happened when your younger brother was? I think he might be very small.
He's 5 years younger to me. So yeah, he was
very small. So how you and your mother, how you people tackled that situation?
I don't remember much of it, to be very honest,
Okay.
because I was so young and, you block away a lot of memories that you don't want. But I remember this one part where, my mom had to rush to the hospital every second day because it was that bad. And I remember being left there with my uncle, aunts and my grandfather, grandmother. So then I started taking care, of my brother a lot, and everything at home, like maybe responsibilities in terms of just waking up on time, something that's small
Yeah,
because you're
right.
young.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I handled it in a way that I don't speak about it. That's my coping mechanism, because I don't like sharing it, because the other person might take it as my weakness, but it is my strength today.
Your
It is
strength, of
who I
course.
am today.
It is your strength.
But my coping mechanism is to ignore it
Okay.
completely. Behave as if, it's not there.
But I would say your mom will be so fucking strong in that
Yeah.
moment of
I think my
time.
mom's coping mechanism is only crying. So yeah.
But the same incident you had mentioned in your PI, and you
Yeah.
started crying as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So
Because I think that was the first time I accepted it in front of so many people.
many people.
Like the closest, like I have only like 2-3 very close friends, because I don't believe in having 100 friends. Because I feel a friend to all is a friend to none.
Yeah, right.
So, those only 2-3 people who are so close to me, they know what actually is my life. And that was the first time it was open for the entire world to see, to know, so.
But I will tell you that all your fans and everyone, I watched that PI ka video,
Yeah.
and I was so proud that after everyone selected that yes, we want Yashvi in our group, after that reaction came, you
Yes.
didn't use it for as an emotional card or something. You didn't use,
Exactly,
and that was so much. But that is something that every fans got. एंड दे रियली वांटेड कि ऐसे लोग चाहिए जो अपने जो भी फेस करते हैं लाइफ में उसको एक ट्रम्प कार्ड की तरह यूज ना करें, बट एज ए स्ट्रेंथ, बिकॉज दैट इज आई थिंक जो पेन एंड सफरिंग से जो जाता है, and then after that person comes up, now that is what I think is bang on, and that you did it. And I feel your PI round was super. Your PI round was very unique, and that reason was now your skating part. That was very different. Matlab, everyone in roadies basically flaunt their body or gymming and all that stuff, but you came with a very unique sport, skating. So, but I feel that skating is very niche in our country right now as a sport. So you're going through such life and then introducing yourself with such niche sport. How did it happen? How it came in your life, skating?
I think as a child, I was so weak that I used to, fall while walking.
Okay.
So my mom put me in multiple sports. Like I remember going to dance, karate, skating, and I think everything that you can think of.
Okay.
So I think skating stuck around then, it was, I think it was just love for me. Because I just loved, the feeling when I was on skates, when the wind was hitting me and, I was racing and all. I started with speed skating. So I was racing first, and then I moved to like artistic, which is dancing on skates.
But you said you're a weak child. Today you don't feel like you're such a strong personality you have. So, but that skating today, what you feel like, how that skating is taking place in India, or it is still nowhere? What do you feel? Matlab, or what all sports are there related to skating? So
skating has a lot of bifurcations. Like there's speed skating, artistic, slalom, skateboarding, freestyle skating. The list goes on. But I think in a country like India, where skaters itself put in so much effort, like maybe in terms of training, diet, like we literally wake up at 4 a.m. and train like so hard, like, and our training is not only muscle, right? We even have to do agility, we have to do strength, we even have to do speed. So it's like best of all worlds. But I think it's not recognized enough, and it's really sad because यार जितनी मेहनत I think cricketers कर रहे उतनी हम कर रहे but it's not recognized, and it's just really sad. And India won its first Asian Games medal last year in skating. But nobody knows about it, and Asian Games is such a big achievement. So it's very sad, like where it is.
So you feel like this skating has any future, or why did you are still doing skating right now?
No, I left skating like almost a year and a half ago.
So your achievements are like, I feel you're first in India and fifth in Asia, right? Yes. So how did that happen?
I think it was like an escape for me from everything that was going on at home or everything. Skating was like an escape. Skating was where I could express myself, be who I am without, any judgments. So I love skating because of that.
Yeah, right.
I think it was just a girl who never gave up. Like every day morning, I used to wake up at 4, go for training and never gave up. I think all of that just happened because of that.
Okay.
And because of proving a point,
Mhm.
Ki, you think I can't do it? Now, watch me do it.
This is same you did in PI round as well.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I think if somebody says, Naki, Yashvi, you can't do this, I think it comes on my ego then a little that how dare you say this.
So representing India in such an international stage, you've been. How was that feeling?
Amazing. Like when you're standing there and your national anthem is playing in the background.
Okay.
It is just surreal. Like you have the Indian flag. It's amazing. I cannot express how I felt.
So the reason of leaving skating was financial background, right?
Yeah.
Financially, it
So
was.
I was able to get myself sponsored and be in the game, but I wasn't getting anything in return because the government does not support it. There are no cash awards or anything or aids or anything for skating.
I think this is a big issue in India right now, that rather than cricket, also other sports should be given opportunity,
Yeah.
and government should support, bring some
Correct.
safety, security for such players,
Exactly.
so that at a point of time, because I have such friends in my who are playing such big leagues, but when there is an off season, they are finding jobs
Yeah.
because they have no place for earning or nothing. That is a big problem happening right now.
By jobs, I have a friend who won, right? He won
Okay.
at the Asian Games last year
Okay.
in skating. He belongs to Maharashtra. So, of course, if you have won at Asian Games, you of course get a government job, right? Because that's there in every state. That's a provision which is there in every state.
Okay.
So he went to apply for the job last year, like after winning. And the person who was sitting there at the desk, the admin, she said, I'm sorry, skating is not on our list.
Oh,
He's
shit.
my age. He has worked his entire life only to secure that one government job. And in a state like Maharashtra, it's not there. So I just think it's something that, the government has to be a little bit more, a little sympathetic about.
Yeah, right.
Because I think in states like Tamil Nadu,
Hmm.
skating is supported so much.
Okay.
People earn in crores there only via skating.
Oh,
But then you come to a state like Maharashtra, there's nothing.
nothing. So true. So this is a big problem. But now coming to your roadies journey, you really wanted to become a roadie any day. Matlab, it was like a well planned. I want to come into roadies.
No, it was not at all planned. I
Okay.
think very random. And I think the best of decisions happen randomly.
Okay.
So did roadies. Nothing. I was styling somebody from roadies, like ex-roadies.
Okay.
And he said, you'd be great. And I was like, you know what? It's a platform where I can showcase my sport. So let's do it.
Okay.
So that's how the entire thing of giving the auditions also came.
Hmm.
And then it's all history.
So wow. So I would say ki now you've been in the roadies for a very long time now, and still the journey is on.
Yeah.
So the expectation from the roadies, you went inside and something has changed. You feel like it's good experience, or there are a lot of ups and downs and adventurous things coming. कि ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था, ये सब क्या हो रहा है?
I think the journey was good. But coming out of the journey, I think you realize how people see you with a different perspective.
Okay.
I think starting May, because of my PI, right? People were just like, oh, she's just a cute little girl. Like, she's not going to... I don't think anybody was prepared for me to fight.
Okay.
Is what I feel in the journey. But I think during roadies, what I felt, which was the biasness, I had to fight for myself for a chance to perform. So I don't think people took that in a very, not everybody. There were some people who were not okay with me fighting. But I feel that if not me, if I'm not fighting for myself, then who will speak up for me, right? So I
Right.
think people के mind में एक face के साथ एक image जुड़ जाती है, which I think is very wrong.
Very wrong. I think this rebellion mode has been loved by our fans a lot.
Yeah, it has. And that's what I'm saying. Of course, there is going to be 5% negative, 5% positive, but the other 90% is what you decide, what you focus on.
Focus on. So true.
So it's only the positive that I'm focusing on.
So true, because I feel like all your journey is same.
Yeah.
Cute bubbly girl is okay, but what Yashvi we have seen in her journey as well, by skating and all stuff, and then coming into roadies, and now has been. But I want to ask you for the roadies part, ki you really feel still in roadies there is an biasness between more opportunities have been given to men and not women. You feel such things are happening?
Honestly, yes. But again, I think men and women are built differently, right? Like
Okay.
the strength, the body, testosterone, everything, XYZ. I feel the tasks are more male oriented.
Male oriented, yeah.
Is what I feel. But because even when जब perform करने की बारी आती है, it's like 3 boys would perform and 1 girl. So somewhere, yes, I do feel, a little it is there, but you can't do anything about it.
So you feel like same thing happening in the society as well, कि यही हो रहा है कि more opportunities have been given to men and not
No,
nothing like that.
I have not come across anything like that.
So but it's happening in roadies.
It happened in roadies with me, which is why I spoke about it. But
Yeah.
when it comes to life, I have not gone through anything like that. I think maybe my parents or my colleagues have been treated like an
Equal.
which is what I expect to be, right? Because I am.
What was the best moment in roadies till now? You feel like it's memorable. I can always keep with me.
I think the bike ride, right?
Okay.
Because it's so crazy. Because Ran sir is there. He's doing his stunts. He's riding in front of us, and then it's us following him, making like lines and everything.
So, in the roadies part, who is the best gang leader, and from your point of view, and
I have answered this question so many times. For me, it's always going to be Ria ma'am.
okay,
Irrespective of,
but because in the while entering you had some other choices. So, but in when once you went into the journey, you feel like Ria ma'am was the best.
Yeah, for sure. She was the best. Like, she is the perfect balance of being attached, but at the same time detached. She was detached enough to see it from a third person's perspective, but she was individually attached also to every roadie present there. Like, her gang.
Okay.
So I think that is such a perfect balance and combination to have in a gang leader.
But somewhere the recent fight where you
Which is why I said, irrespective of everything that has happened, I
Okay.
feel that Ria ma'am, yeah. She comments on my posts and she likes it also now. We chat. So we're like-
how it has been changed after the roadies. Matlab, once you have been in the roadies and now people are recognizing how it
Yeah.
has been changed previously and now.
just that, right? That people are recognizing me.
Okay.
But I'm not someone to pay much attention to that.
Okay.
Because I have felt that already while skating, right? Because I was the first to represent India at Worlds. So when I came back from there, I already had a sense of that feeling, when my colleagues were like, oh, yeah, Ashvi, wow, this, that. So, of course, it's now at a much grander level, but I don't connect myself much with it because you shouldn't, right?
Yeah.
Like, I think you
Fame
have
should
a
always
very
be
much
secondary.
character.
Yeah, fame should always be secondary.
Exactly. You work, you should love your work,
Work.
that should be your focus.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Once getting out, as I said, you're getting a lot of recognitions right now. But previously, as in skating, you were a sports person. That time also you used to make reels or videos on your skating. But now coming to after roadies, you getting more energy because of the show. But you feel the influencers out there today. This perspective has been built up. Keep becoming an influencer is very easy. Very easy. Anyone can come, can sing on someone's song, can wear short clothes or no clothes sometimes, and just for the views and followers and gain more publicity and then get brands. But the people who are sportsmen, I would say, the educational content creators, the skilled dancers, I would say, all such people are working to very hard. I think education part also I feel engineer हो गया, doctor हो गया. Today the kids are feel क्यों हम school में जाए, क्यों हम college में जाए, influencer बनना बहुत easy हो गया. So you feel such things are happening. You feel this is
I don't think that's true.
Okay.
Of course, the part where you said, anybody's dancing and getting famous or whatever, there might be some X factor that they're bringing on because of which the audience is also consuming that data, right?
Okay.
Consuming that content. I feel when I was skating and I was putting out content, my content hardly got like views like 20, 30K, not more than that.
Okay.
Now, if I'm putting out skating content, like it's reaching 1 million,
Okay.
which is a drastic
Plastic.
gap. But I feel if you tell me, I would prefer going back to skating, I think.
Okay.
You just have to lay your head low and you know what you have to focus on.
Focus on.
But influencing is so much more difficult because
Okay.
there are 100 other things that you have to keep in mind.
Keep in mind. Okay.
Like, may it be planning the content, like today we're doing the podcast. I'm sure there was so much,
Right.
ruckus that went into just having us here.
Right.
It may it be the team, the editing that'll happen later. So there's
Mm.
so much only for the 1 hour episode
1
that
hour
you're going to.
episode. So true.
So I just think people perceive that it's easier, but when you
Mm.
actually have to do it, the entire content creation, actual shooting,
Mm.
makeup, being up for shooting. Every day you're not up for shooting. मुझे
shooting,
नहीं
yeah.
करना यार रोज shoot. मुझे मेरे schedule के हिसाब से करना है, but you
Mm.
can't, right?
Can't, right? It's the demand is coming and you have to
Exactly, like
be
the
ready.
brands are coming. I want work. I am
Of
here
course.
for the work, so I will shoot. But I don't want to shoot every day.
Right. So true. So this is what I think youth should understand. The young generation should understand. Influencer is not an easy job. You need to complete your education and all of
I'm
stuff.
an architect.
Yeah, of
You
course.
have to complete. Education is so important.
So important. So this is the mindset becoming कि बहुत easy है, easy नहीं है. जो भी content बना रहा है, living apart from the cringe content, but the
Yeah.
people who are making
Genuine
good
content,
content, वो बहुत difficult है, बहुत consistent रहना पड़ता है,
Yeah.
बहुत खुद के जेब से जॉब करते हुए चीजें करनी पड़ती है.
It's so much investment.
It's so much investment. That's what it is. So now one big criticism always everyone is giving to, I think every social media का जो पीछे बैठ के जो देख रहे audience, they are having this criticism कि female influencers are somewhere just for the views and for the followers sake, they are flaunting their bodies and all stuff. So how you will tackle this criticism, or you feel this is a big problem कि ऐसे easily followers के लिए लोग कर रहे हैं ऐसा? What you feel? What are your thoughts on this?
I feel it's how you are putting yourself out, right? Like,
Okay.
I am nobody to comment on what others are doing, but personally, I feel it's about that line where I am drawing. This is it. Like, beyond this, I don't think I'm going to like do anything.
Yeah.
It'd be like probably wearing shorts. So, इतना है, इससे ज़्यादा मैं brand पैसा जितना भी दे रहा है, won't do.
Right.
It's just about your personal beliefs and your personal
Beliefs.
things. So I think for me, it's always about that defining line.
Line.
You need to know where to stop. So
I think
what-
this is the perfect thing. I think every youth should understand, and the young person should understand who wants to get into influencing
Yeah.
part. एक limit होता है. Just followers of views के पीछे भाग मत जाओ. Flow मत हो जाओ. That
you've got to be classy at the end.
Yeah,
of the day,
of-
not trashy.
So true. So true. Somewhere I feel like now I have left the expectation from schools. Ki school will teach a boy how to respect a woman, a girl, how to make them comfortable. So how you feel in today's time, we as an influencer can tell men that how we have to respect, because see, that respecting part has, for me, I will say it has come because I have a mother who has worked very hard for me. Looking at my mother, and then I feel like my sister, she is studying in Pune.
I was just going to say that.
Yeah,
But a lot comes with family.
So it's sister, when I see, I want her safe, and she should explore. She should explore at the same time. It should not be that she should sit at home. She should explore as same at the same time, but she should be safe. So this things has made me like respecting women a lot.
Yeah.
But when we want to tell the audience or the youth and the people are watching our content, how you will tell them how a man should respect and make women comfortable, and that is also a limit for it.
Firstly, I think it's a two-way game.
Okay.
I think respect is both ways. It's not only how the man respects the woman, it's also how the woman respects the man.
Yeah.
I have personally known so many relationships where the woman has taken the man for granted and the guy was a gem of a person. Again, I don't think we can gender categorize this
Okay.
because, touch wood, I have been around such, great men, maybe my brother, my cousins, my friends, and they're amazing.
Yeah.
They're just amazing. My father. So, yeah, I think everything happens more first in the family. How
Hmm.
you see how your mother treats your father, how your
Hmm.
father treats your mother, it all starts there.
Starts there. So true.
So I think it's just about that.
But as you said कि it's equally it comes from both the side.
Yeah.
So आपको लगता है ये ऐसा एक narrative या ऐसा एक perception बनाया जा रहा है कि all men are unsafe in the society today? You feel like that?
I don't think that's true.
That's not true, right?
That's not. There are so many. I'm not saying that there aren't men like that. Of course, there are men like that. I myself have faced such a thing in the past.
Okay.
But I think that there are a few women also who take wrong advantage of this situation for their own benefit.
Okay.
So I think that is a little wrong. That shouldn't happen.
Okay. So you have ever faced that any guy is looking at you with the wrong views or something like that, and then how you have reacted to it or how you have taken that?
I just ignore and walk away.
Okay.
Because I think that's the best now. You can't go and have a conversation with every dog that's barking or just having its tongue out.
That is also true, but I really want ki are the young generation or the youth coming out today should understand somewhere मुझे लगता है कि the good guys, I don't know, it might be wrong as well, but the good guys are very nervous sometimes to have a conversation with a girl or to tell ki how girl is looking beautiful or to somewhere they are very nervous or they don't have that confidence to go and have a conversation. So for that reason, sometimes girls also take something in wrong way. ऐसा भी लगता है आपको कभी? You feel like such things happens, this misunderstanding happens?
It's not happened with me, but yeah, it can happen, I think. But
Okay.
I think no, the girl. See, of course, it's all about the confidence that you have. You need to be able to at least tell who you are. Like, if you can't do that, then I think that is something you really need to work on. Because, chalo ladki theek hai, koi aur mil jayegi, but at least you'll not even land a job or the business
So
deal
true.
that you want.
Confidence is most important thing.
Yeah.
But more than confidence, I feel like representing yourself is the most important thing.
Exactly. I think your personality, I think that is at the topmost before anything.
So coming to your little personal things, like you are connected spiritually, you do some spiritual
Yeah.
activities. So what you will tell to you that how spiritual things are helping you in your journey and your life? It has helped you.
I'm a Jain, by the way. I
Okay.
don't eat onion garlic.
Okay.
Before going on roadies, I had told them that there has to be Jain food on the
Okay.
journey. And they made sure there was Jain food. So throughout the roadies journey, I've had Jain food.
Okay.
So it's just about, those principles who make you a better person every day. That little faith that's going to give you push in life. So I'm not saying that, take a book, recite everything and, sit down, meditate. I want to start meditating, but I shouldn't tell people because I'm not doing it right now. But yeah, it's just that faith. I go to the temple every day morning.
Okay.
I do that. So
Great.
that I can say that, that gives me faith. I love doing that. Like in my house, there's always Naukar mantra. Like there's a Naukar mantra Jainism. It goes on in my house every day morning.
Great.
So I think that gives me positivity. In some houses, there's Hanuman Chalisa, for
Right.
example, that goes on.
Right.
So I think, those tiny things which gives you a little positivity at the end of the day. So to hold on to that because the world is dangerous. So you need it.
I think once I feel like whole world is somewhere thinking about themselves, and this thora little bit of selfish world. I think that one energy is something
Yeah.
you can depend on. I feel or like you can count on. Ki okay, I'm not getting a solution right now, but I can share my problems with them.
Exactly. Have faith.
Faith. So that is something spirituality is more important
Yes,
for every
For sure.
for every person who wants to achieve something. I feel, or every normal